Today we talk about how can you display products announcements on your Trace app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Go up of this sign, click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on notifications, so then it's going to take you to this list. Then you just click here on from threads, then you come to next step here, then you come here to products announcements, just click here on off. So like you see this color show for us, that's mean here products announcements disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.